For this Blender how-to video, we're gonna do how to change the pivot point to properly resize. So first things first, let's create a scenario. So Shift A, UV sphere, G C up, Tab faces right, S S G no. Alright. Control R and then face mode. Alright. So G Y. Alright. So this is going to be our nose, and we're going to select all these faces, and we're going to desolve faces. So now we have this giant big nose, and we want to separate it and then properly resize it. So Shift D, A, P, solve by parts, Tab. So if we try to resize it as is without it being edit mode, it's where it gets resized, but its resize point is here where its geometry is not. So that's weird. If let's say we go to edit mode and we select it and then resize, it's a little better. It does resize in place, and we can better edit it to get what we want here. Oop, but that is weird. Okay, so to do this properly, we go to Tab, select it, we get an object, set origin to geometry, so itself. So then when we resize here in the object mode, it's resizing properly without having to go into edit mode for anything. And then we can press Tab, and we can join up. We can, what do you call it, add some things to it. Oh, sorry, edit edges. And then make it more presentable here for us. But yeah, this is how to reset the geometry for the face, maybe even an object itself that you create out of something else, and that will help you fix resize issues. So hope that helps, and best of luck.